Hey, aloha from Kailua Outboard Motor Service in Hawaii. I just wanted to do a quick review to save you a lot of headaches from people buying these piece of junk motors. This is a Hangkai, I guess that's how you pronounce it, 12 horsepower that one of my customers purchased about, I think 5 months ago, somewhere around there. It's been back to me twice. First out of the box it wouldn't run. I actually got it to run, but it never really ran that great, but I got it as best as it could. Now it's back again because he sold it to another guy, and now this guy's brought it back to me. Take in mind, this motor is literally only about 4 or 5 months old. The paint jobs on these things, this is 4-month-old motor, which has been washed and taken care of. It is corroded all to hell already. I can literally scrape this paint off with my fingernails on this motor. It's like it was painted with like watercolor paint or something. It's just, there's no primer, no nothing, no sealer in any of the bolts. The paint you can literally scrape off with your fingernails. On the exterior, everything. I mean, this has got corrosion popping up everywhere on it. Even here, got some chemicals on the paint, like some oil, and it actually melted the paint. So first thing first, this motor is going to disintegrate within a year, year and a half. It's just a piece of junk made out of really bad pot metal. It's basically a reversed engineered Daihatsu 8 horsepower, or 9.8, I guess is their next model up. It virtually looks identical compared to Daihatsu, except for the quality of materials, quality of the paint, everything on here. It's like something you get out of a plastic model kit. The wiring is just really crappy. Electronics, it's just made out of pot plastic, cheap junk. All the linkages on here, pot metal. It's like a toy. It has no business being on the water. I bet you this thing would even corrode in freshwater environment. Obviously, we have saltwater environment in Hawaii. All the parts on this thing look like you could swap Daihatsu parts right onto it. I mean, they're virtually identical, except for the quality of what's on this crap. This motor, you fire this motor up and it sounds like it's a piece of tinfoil compared to a Daihatsu, which sounds like a very strong motor, and Daihatsus are good motors. I've been working on it for years. In fact, here's the Nissan Daihatsu right next to it that's 35 years old, that the paint, even though it's faded and ugly, the paint shop's in better shape than this 4-month-old motor. Don't buy this crap. It's being flooded into our markets through Amazon, eBay, or wherever else. Do not buy this junk. You will regret it. You've been warned. This is Kailua Outboard Motor Service on Oahu, Hawaii. Thank you for your time.